Smartphones, laptops, and tablets are electric devices most people use every day. Some even use smartwatches, baby monitors, or game consoles. But all of us are surrounded by Wi Fi routers, 3G, 4G, and soon the new 5G tower. They all relate to one thing, which is electrosmog, also known as EMF radiation, which is electromagnetic field. Everything that works with electricity or radio frequency emits harmful electromagnetic waves. The thermal effects above are easy to experience, but they are long-term invisible effects. People often neglect them while using their devices. We should keep them in mind and focus on prevention. Einstein Brain Card is a pocket-sized innovation that effectively absorbs 5G and EMF radiation by its patented SHS technology. It uses a patented technology that combines composite alloy with microorganisms that absorbs excess radiation. The card can be absorbed a given spectrum of low-frequency magnetic and high-frequency electromagnetic radiation emitted by electronic devices. Go further and faster with Miles, a smart GPS by computer. Miles delivers professional features and metrics in a compact and easy-to-use format. No complicated setup or expensive equipment needed. Did you know that you can now get a consistent power reading without a dictating power meter? Miles will estimate power with a dedicated algorithm. There are several key factors that affect the accuracy of a power estimation, so it is highly recommended to pair Miles with a cadence sensor and fill in all the relevant information in the app. Innovative power estimation feature. Get all the benefits of a planned and structured training session without investing into costly gear. Miles is compatible with power meter that display power and receive data via ANT+. You will see the power matrix on the power meter displays. Miles worked with Sharon's best-selling Smart Tail Light Race Pro, designed for safe solo rides and exceptional group cycling experiences. The LEDs on Miles light up in a perfect sync with the Race Pro, using the same color mode and signaling when you brake. Plus, with Miles you get to easily control your Race Pro light right from your handlebar. The light will keep you fully visible when riding in the dark tunnels or on poorly lit road. Can be used in unison with other Race Pro lights. Miles offer limited customized screen. You could change some of the data in LCD display in Sharon Spot app. This means you get to choose what data you see on your screen: cadence, speed, distance, laps, etc. It's your choice. Miles track your speed, distance, time, elevation, slope, laps, time, calories, temperature, heart rate, and estimates cycling power. It has a built-in barometric altimeter for accurate elevation readings and all the functionality you might need for planning and analyzing your cycling sessions. Bare Knives 2.0, the be-all and end-all of all knife sets. Our knives are razor sharp, carbon negative, and come with a lifetime warranty. The mountain pattern on each knife stops most foods from sticking, and honestly, it just looks gorgeous. You'll buy directly from us. With no middlemen and crowdfunding volume discount, you get an incredible one-time only price. Sure, you can cut a sirloin steak with a cheap plastic paring knife and some elbow grease. You might even enjoy the steak, but what if you could make slicing the steaks enjoyable too? And that's just it. You're supposed to enjoy cooking, but you know it, you'll even want to slice some vegetables. We all know homemade food is healthier food. We want you to enjoy cooking. And with all the right tools, it's even faster than ordering in. A good step of kitchen knives will last you a lifetime. To ensure every kitchen task is covered, we designed a 5-piece knife set. Check out the sharp details that makes each knife unique. These 5 knives combined cover the complete spectrum of kitchen tasks. There are, however, 2 additional knives we absolutely love. The Nakiri is perfect for cutting straight slices or julienne. It's the perfect vegetable knife. The Grisyuk, on the other hand, excels at meat and fish. Cutting sashimi or a large piece of meat, this 10-inch sword makes easy work for it. We're aware you might have never heard of these knives and probably have never seen the need for them. But we know how amazing and unique these knives are and we want you to have them. Because we've reached our stretch goals, everyone who pledged for a 5-piece set will receive these knives for free. These knives make cooking so much more fun. We would feel bad not getting them for you. Get ready for deeper, personalized and more versatile foot stretches with Dorsiflex. This patented device allows you for a variable and adjustable positioning of your foot to achieve a deeper and more effective stretch of all lower leg and foot muscles, contributing to lower leg injuries. Dorsiflex to meet your personal needs. There are 2 adjustable arms for you to selectively position depending on the foot you want to stretch or the angles you want to achieve while stretching. The greater the angle, the deeper the stretch. Dorsiflex is fabricated with 20 adjustable fingers that allows you to create a flat, upward incline or 3-dimensional lateral incline. Simply position your toes and forefoot literally with our adjustable angles to achieve a novel 3D stretch. The fingers have a rounded and smooth top surface for comfort and won't bend under load. The fingers live on a twist axis that promises to give you repeatable and measurable angles every time you use Dorsiflex. As an option, the sturdy base can be inclined an additional 10 degrees with an inclined legs. Dorsiflex's patented design allows for specific targeting of individual bands of the plantar fascia. Our designs also utilizes the windlass mechanism of biomechanics to properly position your foot to the best and most effective stretches and strengthening. Goodbye to sit-ups and crunches. SpiderCore is the ultimate ergonomic portable exercise equipment that trains your entire body through the power of your core, with minimal stress to your neck and back. SpiderCore's patented ergonomic shape fits your palms and knees so you can glide comfortably across surfaces. Although the training is geared towards your core, along the way you will find that your arms, backs and legs will all be pushed to their limits. By having the sliders in the palms and under your knees, you're able to unlock a wide variety of exercises that give you the benefits of swimming and on land. With just 12 minutes a day, you'll discover stability and strength in your core that you've never experienced before. You can use SpiderCore no matter what age of fitness level you're at. Working out your core is simple and effective with our included training program. SpiderCore allows you to get a full body workout with exercises designed to target the core in every moment. Gone are the days when you've had to deal with the monotony of hundreds of crunches for barely visible results. Spend just 12 minutes a day with SpiderCore and let the results speak for themselves.